Alicia. Say hey.
Hi.
Yeah, okay. I literally have the best voice out of all of you. My voice is so cool, and your voice is like
On camera, it's babyish without trying to. My voice is babyish on there.
I look so
If I
cool,
don't try
right?
to.
Film me. Film me. Film me. Help me. Help me. Don't.
It's bad,
I
but
literally was trying to act all cool, just like this, or like that. Guys, I have a headache, and so I went out of church a little bit early so I could sleep, and I took medicine, but it didn't work, so I hope I get better before we leave. Something's seriously wrong with me, guys. I keep getting sick. It's not funny. And every single vlog, ever since vlog 9, I've been sick. Like, oh my gosh. Seriously, though, I get sick all the time, and it's just... I don't know why. Anyway, so for breakfast I had watermelon, just from Hannaford. And my sisters and my mom had muffins, so... I'm trying to get healthy, and for lunch I think I'm going to have a salad or a bottle of water, either one. Anyway, I love this sweatshirt. Gotten a compliment, so it's cool. Ooh. Oh my god. No. Oh no. My glasses broke. No. It's all good. I just had to bend the metal and fix it. Yeah. Yeah, he's a creep. Don't look at him. He's just smiling. Okay, he's out of sight. He's gone.
there is. He still looks through.
We're in Burger King, gonna go get some food, and I'm just gonna sit out here and wait. We're right in front of this weird inn. It's called Inn of the Water, and something like that, something French. And it's like G, big humongous space, rate, and then a big R, and then another space, eights, H, Bon, ESN, with CNT, breakfast. So I don't know what happened. I guess the letters fell off, but that was awful. Awful advertisement. Alright, guys.
What? No, Olivia swears the most, and Jordan then me.
It's true.
At least, yeah.
I'm 5'2" and Olivia's 5'3", and Maddie's 5'4", I think.
Is that right? Yeah, that was a while
I'm
ago.
5'2".
Yeah.
He gets the little family, the little dum.
Look. We're at the beach. We've got
I got it.
a nice little room. Are you trying to bring the cot in?
I am. Go put it over in front of this.
So,
Hello.
this is our little hotel.
Father mugs.
For what?
Father's Day.
Is that this month?
Yes. Yes, take her in the bathroom, Maddie. Would you please? And then you come back out. Yeah, you're paying all that money for the jar.
That's a grandpa one, but
Oh, well, we could get that one for both.
yeah. I asked him if he wanted to come, and he said no. I'll go back with him.
You what?
I'll go back with him. do the Bean Boozled challenge.
Oh, no, I hadn't made up my mind.
Hurry up, I'm getting my screen wet.
All right, yeah, you're gonna ruin the camera.
I won't let it. Jordan, you don't understand. Walmart is nationwide. It doesn't tell them where we are. Oh my god, I'm getting it on the screen. Oh my god, Ti amo, Ti amo, Ti amo.
Is anybody going with Dad?
I'll go with Dad.
Go with Dad.
I'll go with Dad.
Yes, you go with Dad.
You don't mind being filmed, do you, Dad?
I can't watch that.
Well, I don't want you to watch it. It's a vlog. Oh, no, I don't want to go down there. Do they? Cups. Radio, we must go get the cups. The cups of life.
Wait, why do we need cups?
Well, because at the hotel there is no cups. Oops. Stopping and stopping and starting and stopping. Arr. Oh my god. Arr. The cups of life. My cup runneth over. We might use that much.
No, we would never.
Oh, they're like 4. I thought they were 2. Oh, I was not. Oh, I guess I switched off. I'm with you now. Do you mind that? You mind?
I do.
Because I'm such a burden.
I know. Well, this is a little embarrassing.
I'm so evil.
Yeah, well, that's all I got is junk food.
We'll just say I'm on vacation.
What?
You can't
Look
judge
at all
me.
the cakes Madeline got.
She does love her cakes. Cake for days.
All right, I need milk. It's about the only healthy
Milk.
thing I got on this list. Can you stand here?
Yeah, I'll guard the cereal.
And I'll grab milk.
Guard the cereal.
So, V8 juice for your dad.
I don't know why anyone likes V8 juice. It's so disgusting. I mean, I thought you were a woman, Jordan. I didn't think it was you. I thought you were. Oh, I'm so gorgeous. No, that's not what I was talking about. Sure. Peach tea.
Livy, whatever your name is. Jordan, what do you want? Do you guys want
Not just tea, but peach tea. I like Snapples. I hate V8 juice. Don't worry, Maddie. I'll cover up here.
It's okay to get
What is this?
what?
This. With blue cream. Well, what's the difference except more artificial coloring? If it was a flavor, if it was like blueberry or some crap.
All right.
No.
No, you can have those two. Vince,
See how you turn like this?
have we passed bread aisle? Listen. Are you guys going to eat cereal for lunch too?
Yes. Yeah.
Then I'm not going to bother buying peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. Cereal for the days. We love it. Don't look at
Look at my Captain America shirt.
I have a Star Wars stuff. Star Wars is so much better. We went to Cracker Barrel. We met this amazing girl.
Oh my gosh, she was like geeky, just like us.
She knew Attack on Titan. She knew Star Wars. She knew all the anime I watched, except for one.
Over there. You said you wanted some rice pudding with raisins. They're going to be over there. You want some too?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
So,
That's fine.
Fourth quick question. Yeah? Yeah. All right, now put X when you're done.
This is the Mad Dog. Look at my shirt.
You'll find your
Captain America, yeah.
Captain America shirt.
Yeah.
We're at vacation. We're at a store right now.
Oh my God. I think it's on the other aisle. This is
Liv.
There's a Ninja Turtle cup holder.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Mad Dog's got the camera. Wait, I'm filming. This is my sister.
Jordan.
Don't
Hey,
tell
Big
you.
May and Sky Loves Me. Oh, check out Sky Loves Me. She's on YouTube. She's a Woo's World person.
Leah, do you have any Who's World shout outs?
Rosie, but she doesn't have a YouTube channel. Ashley Bear?
I'm forgetting something.
Ashley Bear was World.
I'm forgetting something.
We've already done our shout outs.
Bring a camera charger.
Papa's got his thing charger.
But that doesn't work on my camera.
I have my Kindle charger.
That doesn't work on my camera. Which means we can't film. Maddie, we can only film one day, okay?
Sleep this way.
Good night, guys.
Sleep this way.
Good night.